Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Riverwoods, local and long distance movers near me. When you're ready to complete a long distance move, you need the right options below: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. We provide all the right options for your long distance move, and whether you're relocating 1 or 2 states over or across the country, we can help. Our professional movers will make sure you get everything you need and get it there faster and easier without all the stress. The right Illinois moving company will know how to streamline the entire process, even a local move. It may seem like a shorter move should be easier. However, the work doesn't really change. You still have to pack up your home or business, load up everything into a truck, and transport it to your new location. Then it will need to be unloaded and unpacked. With the help of 3 movers, you can avoid all the hard work. We do the heavy lifting for you and make everything so much easier. Our team can handle even the largest move for you. And if your move would take you all weekend, we can get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Riverwoods moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.